Hello everyone, this is Frontier. In our last video, we saw about what is machine learning, types of data, and the first level of machine learning, that is pre-processing the data. Before moving on today's topic, I want to tell you something, that is, hereafter we will see one fact in all videos. So today's fact is, we all work with computers daily. Do you know the full form of computer? It is a common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Today we will see about training and testing the model, a simple overview. Training the model. If a machine learning model is to be built, it must get trained. Training the model is nothing but like preparing for slip test. For example, the staff will not out the exact questions for slip test. He or she will give portions. The question for slip test will come related to portions that you had prepared, right? Let's see in detail about this. Okay, here important phase, that is slip test. Consider you are prepared with your given portions and your teacher is conducting a slip test for like 10 marks. Like there is 10 questions and each carries 1 mark and you are 7 answers are right. So your mark will be 7 out of 10. That means we can say that you secured 70%. The same will happen in training and testing the machine by giving data. Consider this is the data and by using it we are going to build a model. Let's consider this data set which has 10 observations. Now we want to divide the data set into two parts. One is for training and another is for testing. The training is like giving portions for yours and testing is like conducting the slip test. Here 70% training and 30% is for testing. You can also split like 60:40 or 50:50. It depends on your data. Okay, these are the training data. Now we will train the model with this data set. Now for testing process, let's remove the target for testing observations. Yeah, here we removed. The target attribute, that is pass attribute, the last 3 testing observations will be predicted by our model. Okay, here see the results that predicted by our model, that is last 3 observations. For a better understanding, consider that we tested machine by giving 10 observation. Actual result and machine predicted result are listed here. The actual value says yes and predicted value also says yes. Likewise, we are counting the results that we got saved in actual and predicted columns. So here 7 answers are matching. So mark will be like 7 out of 10. We can say that it got 70% accuracy. That is 70% of the result produced by this model is right. I hope you all gained some idea about training and testing the data. Stay connected. We will catch you on our next video. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to Frontier 2020.